The most frequently asked question I always get in the comments of my videos is always, what is this plugin you are using which allows you to see the results of your types right inside your IDE? So in this video, I will answer this question once and for all. So there exists plugin for VSCode, Jetbrains IDEs, but also for Neovim. So let's get started with the VSCode extension. This is called 2/queries and it was developed by Orta. You can find a link to it in the info box, but also in the description below. Now the installation process is quite easy. You just go to the VSCode extension marketplace, you there search for 2/queries and then you just install it. The usage is also really simple. You just create a comment right below the line of the type you want to get resolved, and then you point the arrow right at the name of the type, and TypeScript will then resolve the type immediately for you. Now, of course, there is also a plugin for the Jetbrains IDEs. I've created it myself. It's called WIT, or what is the type. You can find a link to it also in the info box or in the description below. And the installation process is basically the same. You just visit the plugins marketplace from inside your IDE. You then type WIT inside the search bar and you install it. And the usage is exactly the same as you would do in your VS Code extension. So last but not least, of course, we cannot forget about the Neovim community, and this is why I also created the WIT plugin for Neovim. So you can find a link to the GitHub repository in the info box and in the description below. And if you're using a package manager like from Lazy Neovim, you can install it really easy by just adding the plugin to your configuration, and the Lazy Neovim package manager will then install it for you. Now you can use it similarly to the VS Code and Jetbrains extension by just opening a TypeScript file, adding the comment as in the other plugins, and then you just call the command WIT and it will show you the result immediately as diagnostics. Or of course you can create your own command which gets triggered when you do certain tasks so that you can configure it like you want. So this is already it. I hope it was useful to you. Let me know in the comments if you are already using one of these plugins or if you will start to. And if you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date for the newest TypeScript stuff. See you in the next video. Bye.